Here we are. So this is the first, or is it a batch of the first ones? 1975.
It's a show car.
This is
Yeah.
This is
It is one.
something or what? No.
6 in the world. Full cylinder.
Oh, that's the four-cylinder development engine.
It is.
6.
Except this one has a marking on it. Chassis 935, which means it's the engine in Golden Garden's record-breaking engine. Full rebuild of the fuel injection system. It's quite involved.
An amazing car.
So I don't know when that will run again. Hopefully not to.
Just to say that.
Yeah, just so never let me forget it.
Quite, look at that. Wow. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. Gosh. And was it gold when it came off the line, or was it because it was repainted, wasn't it, for the Jubilee?
Well,
it wasn't.
This was how it was set up for the motor show.
Oh, okay, right. And they just had the extra Jubilee bit.
And the Jubilee was added later. Yeah.
Okay. Wow. So duck underneath.
Yeah.
Oh gosh, yeah, you really have gone to.
So it's a lot of work going.
The rear arse is completely missing.
I remember doing that to mine.
But we will.
That's bright.
We'll be running this at fetting of speed. We've been asked to bring
Wow.
4 or 5 XJSs along on Thursday.
Okay.
So we're hoping to get room ready for that.
Fabulous. Look at that. Goodness me. Amazing. And here we are. Oh, here it is. Nah. Here are it. And P60 XJS for the fuel pump work. Fabulous. On the side of P60, the last ever XJS. Look at this. Fabulous.
Gearbox about starting to go. They crumble.
Yeah.
Just a bit, but
If it was like on the outside, it'd probably know that. So
Yeah.
I'll have something to just.
wonderful. No.
Every replica is one of those on CO.
Exactly. Yeah. That other detail.
There's beauty. Wow. Look at that.
So this is driving to Goodwood tomorrow morning.
Is it?
Yeah.
Wow. Hugely impressive.
We did need one to.
Did you really?
Yeah, a chap called Kevin Brown's going to drive that there tomorrow.
Wow. So I had a sweepstake.
We're taking the. Are you driving? We're driving.
Experience, probably, I suspect. Yeah, I would say.
He's also one of the few people I trust to drive things like the XJL9.